20 years ago, I can't even believe I'm saying this number, 20 years ago, Shabby Fabrics was born. And you are going to be part of our celebration, and this is why I'm filming this video right now. There's two parts to this. Number one is this amazing bag that we've designed for you, with you in mind, celebrating what we've done over the course of 2 decades. We've made a limited amount of these bags. They're beautiful full color bags, and we're offering them for just $5. Who doesn't want a bag, right? For the gym, for grocery shopping. And this will only be made one time. Once the bags are gone, that will be the end. But I want to tell you how you play a part in how we're here. I wrote you a letter that I'd love to read to you right now. 20 years ago, Shabby Fabrics began humbly in a small basement, fueled by a love for fabric, color, and creativity. With just a vision and a sewing machine, and a very affordable sewing machine at that, the dream was stitched together one design at a time. Over the years, that tiny basement business grew into something far greater than ever imagined. Now a worldwide producer of exclusive fabrics, patterns, and kits that inspire makers around the globe. But this story isn't just about fabric, it's about people. None of it would have been possible without an incredible team of dedicated employees who pour their talent and heart into every detail, and the amazing, loyal customers, you, who have believed in Shabby Fabrics from the very beginning. Together, we've built something beautiful, proof that with passion, teamwork, and community, even the smallest beginnings can blossom into something extraordinary. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we remain committed to creating and inspiring you for decades to come.